Hey guys, I'm Arian, and today I want to set up a character for our battle royale game. So let's go. First of all, I've created an input action for sprinting, and I've added the input action into my blueprint. Then I've get character movement component in my blueprint. With that, I have set max walk speed to just allow the character to move faster. And I've just set it again once the key is released. I've added a note to set it to offset, which is 600 normally, but we're going to change that because uh, with the normal offset, with the default offsets of the max pocket speed, it will not work. Okay, open up the idle run blend space and just drag the third person walk speed, third person walk animation keyframe a little bit to right and hover your mouse on that keyframe and it will show a number. Put that number in the set max walk speed node, which is going to set back to the offset the max work speed back to the offset of it. So now you will consider that the character, while it's not sprinting, will play another animation, and that's third person walk animation. Okay, then in next step, I've added some. Want to add some mix some animations to my character. Animation to my character. I've exported the scheme mannequin file as FBX somewhere in my computer, and I've uploaded it into Mixamo. And because I wanted to just uh, download my animation with the skeleton of my character. So I've downloaded the Mixama animation without the skin, and I've imported my animation to the project I was working on, and I've just didn't import the mesh. I've unchecked the import mesh checkbox, and I've selected the UE4 mannequin skeleton as the skeleton for the animation, and imported it, and I've not didn't do any animation retargeting or stuff like that. I've adjusted my animation using the record ability, and you may want to do that so much because I've like here as you see I've um, recorded so much because my animation was lifting off the ground while I was playing, and I've just do it by adjusting my animation, clicking on the record button down there, and select the path, select the file name, and here you go. Then record animation, stop it, and you can clip it just by right clicking on animation. You should do that so much time. Like for in my case, I've done it like 20 times. I've put about 1 hour just for a little lifting off from the ground or just setting it to the ground, and that's that's so much time for just a lifting off the ground.
I could do this all day.
Okay, and that's it. That will wrap it up for this week. Like and sub if you have enjoyed the video.